Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay, 2021, and I am off with my first video. So hopefully I can stay consistent with making these videos. And if you're new to my channel, I just talk about my life experience with alopecia and things that I'm trying to regrow my hair and to try to get my scalp healthy. So this video is going to be about all the different oils that I'm using currently. I just made a hair growth oil Wednesday, so it's been almost a week or half a week. Just made a hair growth oil, and I just want to talk about all the different things, all the different oils that I am using in that hair growth oil. I'm also going to attach some pictures of what my scalp look like now, and then at the end of the month I'll come out with another video showing if there's been any progress or not. So stay tuned for that video. But again, welcome. So pretty much I've known about a couple of these oils, and some oils I just found out about. Shout out to Abon Naturals. I was watching her YouTube channel and I found out about a couple of more of these oils, and I looked them up, researched them, and yeah, they are supposed to be very good oils for alopecia, for hair growth, and blocking DHT. So one of the main oils, or one of the biggest oils that I have in there, is grapeseed oil, and I use that as a carrier oil. It's high in antioxidants, and it's a great use for a carrier oil. And I've always used grapeseed oil just cause it's a really good inexpensive oil, and it's just really good for the hair. The next oil that I have is pumpkin seed oil, and pumpkin seed oil helps to fight DHT, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it's one of the main oils that you will find, or main ingredients that you will find in DHT blocking medications. I'm taking a DHT blocker medication right now, also taking a vitamin with folly growth, and that is in both of those supplements. So pumpkin seed oil is really high on the list of helping to fight DHT. Peppermint just helps stimulate the hair follicles. Rosemary is is another good oil that helps fight DHT, because rosemary and what you'll get from your dermatologist, like Medixol or Rogaine, rosemary actually helps fight just DHT, just like Medixol and Rogaine. So it's a lot cheaper and it's a lot healthier for your scalp because it's not combated with a bunch of other chemicals. So using that oil, I just learned about green tea and coffee. Green tea helps stimulate the hair follicles, so does coffee because of the caffeine that's in coffee. And I didn't even know coffee was an essential oil, so just learned about that. And the caffeine can actually block DHT also, is from what I read. Saw palmetto and stinging nettle are the other two oils that I use. Saw palmetto helps slow and reduce hair loss, and it also increased the activity of the enzyme that metabolizes DHT. So that's a really good thing because you want to be able to not have so much DHT produced. And stinging nettle is an anti-inflammatory, blocks DHT, high in sulfur, high in silica, and it has a lot of vitamins and minerals. So these are all the oils that I'm using. I got this blueprint from Abon Naturals when I was looking at her YouTube channel. I just researched all the oils that she was talking about, and I'm using that as a blueprint in the hair growth oil that I have made. And I will be using this hair growth oil at least 1 to 2 times a day for the next month, and just seeing if I have any progress or if I have any new hair growth, and I will let you guys know at the end of the month. So do stay tuned for that video. And other than that, I probably will be coming out with another video before the end of the month to show you guys what my diet is, because I have cleaned up my diet, trying to get my diet back on track. I've been cleaning up my diet for the past week, so that's been going good. And yeah, Oh, also, I don't know if I have already mentioned, but all these oils are in my supplements, except for like rosemary and peppermint. But every other oil in coffee, but the stinging nettle, the saw pimento, the pumpkin seed, those three oils are in my supplements that I take. So I've found that to be pretty cool. So now I'm able to fight internally and externally. But anyways, I'll make it this video short. Sorry for all the rambling in between, but I'm making the video short. I'm gonna stop it here and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully the next upload will be my diet and what I'm eating. I'm trying to do a smoothie fast and somewhat more raw food juicing mixed in between for the whole month of January. And then I'll try to post a video of that, and then the next video that I'll be uploading will be a 1 month progress video, just to show to see where my hair stands. So other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, please like, subscribe, and share if you like the video. Okay, bye-bye.